Ahoj, já jsem Regolo a vítám vás u druhého dílu ze hry The Walking Dead. Tady ta postava, to je Lee, který v minulém díle potkal malou holčičku, která se jmenuje Clementine a popral se tady s prvníma zombíkama. Takže začalo to tak, že jsme jeli v autě, vybourali jsme se a vezli nás teda do vězení, my jsme se vybourali a potom jsme se dostali až sem do tohohle domečku a tady nahoře byla schovaná ta naše holčička. Teď se podíváme, kam nás zavedou další kroky. Máme u sebe vysílačku a to je, myslím, všechno. Teď se musíme dostat někam dál. Tak uvidíme, co nás bude čekat v tomhle díle.
I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
This sucks.
Oh, it's hot this night.
Tak, jsou tady další postavy, tak si s nima asi budeme popovídat.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
I won't leave you alone.
Well, let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's a good idea.
Tak, vycházíme z bezpečí domů.
Man. Holy shit!
Don't eat us!
We're not gonna hurt you.
Yeah. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
We need help.
Are you trying to get out of here? Because you should be. Those things are all over the damn place. I haven't seen anything as gnarly as this neighborhood since downtown Atlanta, 15 miles back. I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not her dad. I'm her babysitter. Her parents are out of town.
Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
Takže... už se blíží, takže rychle musíme zabrat. Naše skupinka se rozrůstá. A zatlačíme. Ještě jednou. Šup. Tak holčička nám pomůže, Clementine, a hned je to lepší. Tak šup do auta. Máme vidět, že jak Lee kulhá, tak se ho lidi bojí.
As babysitters go, I'd say your parents owe you a tip.
Tak a fičíme někam do bezpečí, uvidíme, kam se dostaneme. A vlastně říkali něco o nějaké farmě. Měsíc pěkný. Tak a už se blížíme, tady to vypadá, že je docela klid. Tak, tady to vypadá na klidné místečko, kde přečkáme noc. Takže to bude fajn. Počkáme,
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run
jak se to
on home.
vyvrbí.
My mama's gonna be in a snip.
Tak ten
No
utíká za
sweat, man.
mamkou.
I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet you both.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad he could be a help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter, then?
Oh, not his daughter. He's the babysitter.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Šikulka.
Okay, then. Well,
Ještě by nás
looks like
zastřelil
you hurt your
potom.
leg pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Tak Lee bude ošetřený, takže nebude kulhat a lidi se ho nebudou bát, to vypadá.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Could be worse.
That's what it sounds like. Seems like things got awful bad in the cities. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
Car accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
I was getting out of Atlanta.
The news says stay.
Yeah, well, that's a mistake. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
I was with a
Říkám
police
pravdu.
officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there, and we're done here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Your son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
Viděli jsme tam pěkný svinstvo teda. Mrtví lidi
Got
chodí.
chased by a couple of dead people.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Lee and those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
Tak se jdem
If
vyspínkat.
it gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you. We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and such in the barn. We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose. All right then.
Tak jo, vypadá to na klidný večer. Doufám, že nepřijde nějaký zombík tady s
It
pozaslámi.
smells like
Hovno.
Lenore.
manure? Like when a horse plops?
Just like that.
I miss my mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
Tak a myslím, že bychom mohli spát, aby bylo už brzy ráno, raníčko. Napínavá hudba. Tak to byla jenom noční můra, dobrý. Už jsem se chtěl bát, tak.
Hey, get up.
Máme ráno.
I'm itchy.
No,
Oh,
se
you
ti nedivím,
slept in a
děvče.
barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
That's a valuable trait lately.
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
I'll see what the girl would like.
Ah, gotta consult the missus. I understand. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
Tak, jde se
I can
pracovat.
keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
No, je to pěkně zajímavý teda. Hodně se tady kecá, takže já to nepřerušu, aby jsme věděli všichni, o co jde, aby jsme o nic nepřišli. Bohužel ty rozhovory, běž se podívat, popojde se všem, jo? Tak půjdem. A ty rozhovory jsou vždycky takový rychlý, že musím velice rychle zareagovat, což mi někdy docela trošičku vadí, ale snad ty rozhovory budou dávat nějaký smysl. Tak. Pojď si popovídat tady s tím kolíkem.
Kenny,
Nepotřebuješ pomoc?
need any help?
No, I think I got it.
To říká
You
každý.
need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I think I've got it handled okay. As long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe, sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if her parents don't show up.
I'll keep that in mind.
Nějaký zvědavý kamaráde. Tak,
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Kache's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna phase us.
ještě
So what's
se
your
dáme
family's
teda na
plan?
plán.
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
Tak ti amici vždycky
I'm a commercial
čekají,
fisherman.
že zachrání
Catching
národní
mackerel,
garda.
dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Kache wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See you.
Tak, tady jsme si popovídali. Něco jsme se dozvěděli, zkusím ještě tady, jestli to půjde.
Hey there, girls. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how's that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale, like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like
Tak tomu
this.
nevěř, kamarádko. Žádný normál.
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
That's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
Jak bylo ve městě? Další otázka, takže...
And he just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people over some. Just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow, but even then I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Things were bad before. Bad now, but they're different, you see?
People are eating each other.
But they weren't before. The banks, the politics, the crap. Those things are gone.
To jsou keci, tyjo. Jsem vybral asi docela blbou odpověď. Nedá se nic dělat. Jdeme dál, přátelé. Musíme se dozvědět všecko. Protože bohužel to kecání tady je. U té hry asi hodně, aby jsme všechno věděli a podle toho se nějak vyvíjel příběh. Tak máme tady traktor.
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Ptáme se kluka. Pěkně nám zamával. Co tady ještě tak?
How you doing, Duck?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Pěkně mu dej, chlapče. Pěkně mu nadej, ať maká.
Sean's still working on that fence.
Hey, Lee.
Potřebuješ pomoc? Tak konečně to něco budeme dělat, ne?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
No, tak jsem si myslel, že bude trošku zajímavější práce.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Damn.
Oh shit, damn. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, that bastard. Poor girl's
Jak jsem říkal, budeme mluvit docela pravdu. Aspoň se budeme
I
snažit.
couldn't do that.
A uvidíme, co z toho
I'm just glad we're
vyplyne.
getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
My brother and parents are in Macon. I hope.
Oh man, I hope so too. Maybe it's not too bad there. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Super. První prácičku máme hotovou.
And Sean, thanks again for the ride.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Tak půjdeme za tátou. A, tady ještě nějaká deska.
Do you think this thing will keep him out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification pass, if you will. We'll lock this place up good.
Tak, zajdeme se teda za tím tatíkem. Už nekulháme, toho jsem si nevšiml. Výborně. To byl škaredý pohled teda.
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Yeah, I was looking for help in her house.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
What is it?
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. Oh, and I'd start checking the attitude, friend.
A, mně se stalo, tak a favor, konečně bude nějaká akce. Už jsme dokecali, to vypadá. Oškliví zombíci. Aha, tak my se musíme rozhodnout. Asi pomůžeme tady tomuhle velkému. Co mám dělat? Aha. Víš, že nám nepomůže. Co mám dělat? Tady traktor, otlačit traktor. No asi sám traktor neotlačím, tak to vypadá, že to do háje. Chudák. Tak toho mi je líto, protože ten nám zachránil nám život.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save me.
I know, son.
Škoda. No, nedá se nic dělat. Bohužel ta hra není o tom, že všechny zachráníme a všichni přežijeme. Tak, teď dědula bude naštvaný. A je.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
I wasn't strong enough. I'm sorry.
If your girl is ever trapped, you better hope you get stronger, or your friends aren't cowards.
Please, just go.
Get out and never come back.
Tak. Bohužel teda první rozhodnutí, které jsme udělali, nevím, co by se stalo, kdyby jsme zachránili toho kluka. Tak necháme se asi odvést, to se nedá nic dělat a uvidíme, co se bude dít dál. Takže přišli jsme o prvního parťáka, prvního člena skupiny, která se trošku začala rozrůstat a Dostáváme se v příběhu zase kousek dál. Jsme tady s rodinkou, chlápek, mamka, malej kluk, upištěnej docela. A jsme v tom městě, kde, odkud pochází Lee. Tak uvidíme, jestli najdeme jeho rodinu. Tady někdo je?
Hey there. You friendly?
Haló.
Trucks run out of gas.
Tak ti nám asi moc nepomůžou. Jo, teď nevím. Kousli ho, toho kluka. To jsou nějaký noví lidi tam. Tak jsme se dostali zase kousíček dál. Tyjo, to se ksichtí škaredě.
Worse, they could have let them right to us. Where the hell is your humanity? They would have died out there. Then we let them.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
In a minute, Clem.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common.
God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
She's not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate it. Now let's settle down.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't.
Tak doufám, že není teda, když jsem to řekl.
Over my dead body.
We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten.
Shut up.
We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
Hey, what do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle this.
But your heart, Dad.
Dohodneme se.
To calm down.
We reason with him.
Už jsme jednou přišli.
Nobody threatens my boy.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter. But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten! That's how you turn!
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this.
Tak není pokousaný, to vypadá.
I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Dad, we get it. It's a big deal.
What if this was your daughter?
Never would have happened. She's not some snot-nosed toddler, okay? She's
Nějaký
United States Air Force.
šílený dědek. Toho nebudu mít moc rád.
I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee!
Yeah?
There's someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast. And then, there'll be 3.
Then we deal with it then. But right now, we're just freaking everybody out.
Then get ready to deal with it, because that boy is bitten.
Not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now!
Zastavíme ho.
You don't touch that boy. You don't touch anybody. I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here too. You want to get violent, Joel?
Haha,
Well,
přesně
come
tak.
on! You better have a plan to kill me though, because it's me before anyone else in here.
další zombáč. Ježiši, on zase spadl. A? Tak, rychle nás nekousne. Fuj. To nešlo totiž dokončit tím kvéčkem. Mlátil jsem tady do toho jako blázen.
You okay?
A děvče nás zachránila.
Just great, thanks.
Guys? Everybody down. Stay quiet.
We're gonna get in. Shut up.
Tak jo?
Is that the military?
Začíná to být divoký.
We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was...
Dad!
Tyjo, tak mám dostal ještě infarkt. Co je s ním?
What's wrong with it?
It's his heart.
My pills.
No, to říkám, infarkt.
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
We'll get in there somehow.
Thank you so much. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
And I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
Damn, that'd be great.
Well, it's gotta get done. Plus, I'm quick, and I know Macon.
Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you? What's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now,
To je
get
sranda,
some
jak
rest.
přebírá velení tady
Shot.
ten.
I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Get him those
A to už je
pills.
naštvaná. To bude ještě zajímavý. Tak, hra se nám uložila. Přátelé, já myslím, že čas pro tento díl nám uplynul, takže jsme tady v nějaké parfumerce, v nějakém obchodu, prostě drogerii. Je tady plno lidí, takže zase budeme kecat a doufám, že se zase něco nového bude dít. Ale v tuhle chviličku já se s vámi rozloučím, já doufám, že se vám tento díl líbil a pokud se vám zdá, že málo mluvím, tak mi napište, ale já si myslím, že je lepší, aby jsme se věnovali tomu, co se tam píše a věděli, co se tam říká a co se vlastně bude dít, o čem hlavně ta hra je asi o příběhu, nebo asi. Ta hra je určitě o příběhu a ten příběh si potřebujeme užít, takže doufám, že vám to tolik nevadí a že budeme pokračovat dál. Takže mějte se fajn a těším se na vás u příštího setkání se zombíky. Ahoj!